I have almost completed the practice book, The Art of Cursive Penmanship, and here's my thought about the book. The style of cursive is very plain and simplistic. It is intended for daily practical use, written at small scale and regular speed. For this reason, it doesn't have excessive flourish or styling, and this is certainly not a calligraphy book. Another characteristic of this hand is the frugal spacing between words. Personally, I found it hard to read and to write, and the spacing is supposed to be much fewer than what I've been currently writing with. To be honest, it was a hard book for me, and I had to write very slowly to complete each page, which typically takes 20 to 30 minutes to complete. Even so, my current handwriting is still nowhere near that of the book, although I'm trying my best to follow it. It is a totally different ballgame to write practical handwriting on plain paper versus writing on a guided sheet. This is not necessarily a bad thing, as being able to see your own defect is the first step towards improvement. This is true in penmanship and in life in general, so don't be discouraged. At least one thing can be sure, my handwriting today is much better than compared to 10 months ago. And my next step is to try to be comfortable with this style of writing and try to add some personal touch to it.